bro, you sound like an owl, bro. Guys, when the firework comes, scream as loud as you can.